Happy Sankranti, everyone out there. And we have a lot of work to be done. And look at what these guys are doing.
They started our game.
Currently, we are facing internet issues. And
Dude, specially game के लिए ये disturb मत कर रहे. You know what? Specially game के लिए white पानी काले वाला white t-shirt, red पानी काले वाला red t-shirt पहन के online डेनो खेल रहा है. The inspiration for this shirt which I'm wearing is actually from this game. The only difference you can see is इसमें the dino runs, इसमें motorcycle पे dino है. So the inspiration for this t-shirt is from this. This is one of my favorite designs. And yes, whenever it comes only on Google Chrome. So if you lose your internet connection, ये game आता है, you can play it.
okay, whenever your internet is not working and when you open Google Chrome, just press on any link and you'll get this no internet wala symbol, right? And the minute you start pressing spacebar, the game starts. You just have to move away from or escape from the cactus and make your dino survive as long as possible. It's actually addictive, and there are many Android games which are actually based on this small chutku little game. It's addictive, right? And it also as score increases, the display changes, you get night and day, the speed goes much faster.
It's a time pass fun game.
So tomorrow is Sankranti and we just couldn't find time to purchase any kites. So today that's the plan, guys. We are going out to buy few kites, little manja, and meanwhile today morning I have experienced something on the bike, on the scooter especially. Rohit doesn't know about it. Let us go down, check it out, give it to service, and then go buy kites.
Like Sankranti is my favorite festival. Kites, I used to be on the terrace all day, like morning 6:37 से evening 7:30, even after sundown we used to fly. इसको उतना पसंद नहीं था kites का हमेशा ना.
नहीं, क्योंकि because you used to fly, you always used to told me to hold the chakri. Hold the chakri. I got bored.
I used to love flying kites and now time नहीं मिलता उतना. But
चलो, now let's go down and show you the bike. Now this Brady fellow is so addictive. ये phone में भी Wi-Fi 4G off करके खेल रहा है.
You know what? This is my first bike. It is not being used by anybody. It's just kept as some crap abhi.
Actually, we gave it off to one of the workers who used to work in the office, and he kept it here. I don't know why. I guess the keys and the papers are with him still. This is a Bajaj Exceed 125, blue color.
I used to ride this in Chennai. This has got still a Tamil Nadu register. I'm actually worried because this thing just got serviced and he doesn't want to start it. Start, Ray. That's a big slow. Why do you want to push it up that? It's not possible also to push it.
You want to listen to the sound? शुभम एक बार आ जाना.
क्या है वो? It's not starting.
It's not starting.
मैंने साइकिल का वो बेल रहता है उसका आवाज आ रहा है.
स्टार्टर का नहीं रे. Even if I kick start it.
When did you give it for service? A month ago? Less than?
कल स्टार्ट भी हुआ था, ये स्टार्ट भी नहीं हो रहा. Ignore the sounds today. It's Sankranti. It's starting, but immediately I need to take it for a service. Okay, it started doing this It started doing this immediately when I got on the slope yesterday.
मैंने नीचे कुछ लगा क्या उसको?
कुछ नहीं रे. The minute I got off the slope, it started making the sound.
Perfect. But where's the service center?
Local servicing.
They can't hear you. But yeah, there's something wrong with the belt.
This bike is louder than all the 4 bikes combined in our garage.
पापम रे बेटा मैं क्या देख रहे थे लोग पता है
So according to the mechanics, there's some clutch problem in this.
it's only done about 10,000 odd kilometers.
11,000 kilometers.
Let's go eat potato twisty.
You want to? You let's buy kites, na?
I mean, buy kites also. We'll buy potato. He never
By
had
saying
it.
that, there's one of the favorite bikes which I have.
RX 100. Look at the motocross thing either. Yamaha ka something I don't know.
No, but that RX 100, especially not that color, but I'm actually a very big fan of RX 100s. कैसे था रे स्कूटर? एपिक था ना साउंड?
अरे रिएक्शंस मस्त है. I don't know कैमरा में कितना रिकॉर्ड हुआ वो साउंड एंड ऑल, बट लोगों का रिएक्शंस तो डेफिनेटली रिकॉर्ड हुआ यार.
It was louder than any sports bike, right?
It was disgusting.
Irritating था.
बहुत कान बज रहे थे.
Because the last time when we gave it for service, we did a complete overhaul of the bike. Proper service. 3,500 for a scooter.
बहुत ज़्यादा है रे.
बहुत ज़्यादा है. And the bike felt really good, but after a month, they're saying the clutch is gone, the clutch oil is gone, something is gone. We are thinking the belt which drives the bike, that's gone. We've given it to a local service center. We just cannot give it. I cannot drive that bike to the main service center and ask them what is the problem, right?
If we're lucky, we're in Singapore. Imagine this happening near our house.
Tow truck. उसके लिए अलग से 1,000 rupees या 2,000 rupees पड़ता. Cheers, boys.
And actually, while saying cheers, we just realized Panda started a YouTube channel.
Alpha Rowdy? Rowdy.
देखेंगे उसका चैनल का लिंक will be in the description. Please subscribe to him also.
Ray, welcome to YouTube.
Thank you.
Alpha Rowdy.
Alpha Rowdy.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to Alpha Rodi channel.
Okay, as we speak, Rohit has already started hogging.
Good. कैसा है? First time खा रहा है तो ये?
We are here to have a twistato. It's basically potato spring potato. And this place Nosh Bristow. You get multiple flavors and sauces on top of it.
भाई try करो.
Ray, Elka. I'll wait to go padunne.
I'm sorry if you put this in the video. My wife is going to kill me.
You're dead, so. Okay, before you guys going gaga that the quality of the video is slightly low and the mic or voice is also slightly low, that's because I'm shooting on a phone and there is no external mic connected. It's all raw footage which is shot on the phone. All these are open boxes, and for people who don't know, we ship out all our products in such fancy little cardboard dabbas. And by saying this, Rati?
We have actually selected the winners of our previous, I won't say it's a contest, but something we wanted to do. And the five winners for the 2 t-shirt giveaways are Leo's World and Abhishek Mujumdar. So please contact us on our Instagram handle, that is Two Brother Vlogs, and we'll take your sizes, your address, and we can ship out these products to you. We've got so many messages. Let it be on the comment section, personal messages to Two Brother Vlogs regarding all the things you started and you've done. People have done. I've seen somebody's message saying that they quit smoking in 2022, which is amazing. Good for your health, right? If that's an inspiration for a lot of people as well. Don't smoke. There are a lot of people who've started small businesses like us. Amazing start. But we felt these 2 things, what these people did, actually made a lot of difference and will make a lot of difference to a lot of lives. We're planning to do a lot more giveaways. For now, only 2 t-shirts are possible. So these 2 people are the winners we've selected. Talk about Abhishek Majumdar. Your life story is actually an inspiration for everybody, including us. He's basically an engineer by profession, and he's actually preparing for his UPSC exams. We wish you absolutely all the best for it. We get all the success, and we hope you achieve it at the earliest possible. And while actually preparing for his UPSC exams, I'm actually getting goose pimples talking about it. He fell in love with teaching, and he's been doing it for some time now. He's been planning, and finally he started out his own coaching center and is helping millions of others slowly get to their dreams. So hats off to you. I wish you all the very success in your story, and
And feel happy and feel proud that
Yeah,
there's
absolutely.
such people who are our followers or subscribers.
absolutely.
Thank you so much, buddy.
Yeah, I'll come one day when I come to Calcutta. I'll definitely meet you, buddy. I hope we get the opportunity to meet each other someday. So the second person, Leo's World. His problem is basically a problem for all the current generation or the next generation of kids or people even of my age. We are all addicted to these smartphones. He was like us, but again, he said he started reading and writing what he is doing in his daily life. Basically, I think he started his own journal about his life and reading a lot of books. I'll tell you, I've been telling about this for a very long time. Many people think that my English accent is good, not good, whatever. People want to learn English as a language. It is good for your health. It is good for you having multilingual skills. So reading is the best way of learning any language. English, all the present modern age, let it come to software or IT or aviation, language which is spoken is English. You read, you improve your skills. And he has basically lost his habit of getting attached to mobile phones. He started reading, and he's given a long message on our YouTube channel. So it made a lot of difference in his life, and I'm assuring you, reading will change yours for the good as well. So this is the second winner, Leo's World. Message us on our Instagram handle. Your shirt will be on your way. We thank you very much for what you're doing for yourself, and writing such a big comment. It shows your patience. Actually, your patience increases when you read, and shows here. Thank you very much, each and every one of you, for that amazing response for the Sankranti sale. The sale is still on. It'll end on the Sunday, that is 16th of January at 11:30 p.m. So keep your orders coming. We have a 15% sale which is running on the entire range till the end of Sunday. So keep them coming. Dress Up Homie is waiting for you guys. And we are ready to pack. And what I'm wearing is also part of Dress Up Homie and one of my favorite t-shirts personally.
Sorry, what he's wearing and what I'm wearing here. Plain simple red polo. Rocks good on anything. And as we speak, Madhu is here from Motomadi.
Hello.
How is the V2? Hot?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
It is not that hot when you're riding it on highway.
I didn't
but
give it in the city.
it is a little tricky in the city.
Instead of bike kites, we are actually bowling.
It's okay, part of it.
Tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock then. Okay, the first game is done. Shubham 44, Rohit 112, Madhu 114. I am 133. Then 1, Madhu second, Rohit third, Shubham fourth. And this is Rohit. Pizza, lemonade, hanging, bowling. Perfect Rohit. This stupid fellow is Rohit. Not the size though. And that's me. Just chilling on the toilet seat. So our initial plan for today was go to the office, pack few stuff, send out the parcels, and then buy kites for tomorrow, and then enjoy Sankranti tomorrow morning. We didn't buy kites. So tomorrow morning is Sankranti, and time is already 9:45.
But come out of that laziness, whatever you want to do, start doing it, start venturing into new stuff, learn something new.
make yourself more useful to the society.
And the Sankranti Patanka video will be next in the next vlog. So I'm so sorry, that will happen in the next vlog. So stay tuned guys for the next thing, and until then, peace out. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll do this.
Feb 14th, we'll again talk about it. A video which comes in about that time frame. We will make sure.
I will do one more giveaway on that. We'll do one more giveaway.
From Jan 14th to Feb 14th, whatever you start new.
Yeah, whatever you start new.
I know this is very small. It's not
Just a token of appreciation.
Yeah,
just
token of love. Just to, make sure people start something.
Now, pakao mat, let them have fun on Sankranti.